Hi, my name is Savannah. These are the three excerpts that stuck out to me and interested me. The first is, these are all quotes. The first is participants describe children as influencing purchasing patterns in a variety of ways, including crying or negotiating with caregivers until they agree to purchase a desired item or by putting desired items in the cart. Participants' primary complaint about shopping with children was that children persuaded them to buy products that they did not intend to purchase. Um, I've worked at a grocery store before, so I have seen this firsthand, how parents will do whatever they can to quiet their children down or just keep them calm. But I didn't realize until I read this article that parents do inevitably give into their children when it comes to purchasing items a lot. And I kind of I found it hard to believe because these families were low income families living in food deserts. So I just found it hard to believe that like they would spend money from their budget just to calm their children down. And it's understandable. I just found it interesting. The next one is my son likes fruits and vegetables, but they don't have that choice for them. It's a lot of sugar in there, and the kids see that they're gonna want it. And I know that this later on in this article, the supermarket manager did express that they kept unhealthier food items because those items sold more. So I understand like why there was more unhealthy food items, and in America in general, the unhealthy food, processed food items exceed the fresh fruits and vegetables. But I just found it interesting and just kind of hard to wrap my head around that in this specific supermarket, her son, who likes fruits and vegetables, didn't have that as a choice. I just found that hard to believe. And then the last is altering the placement of healthy and unhealthy foods to draw children's attention to healthier options was a common theme mentioned by parents. And this is talking about the parents' feedback as to how supermarkets and places in general can maybe decrease unhealthy item food spending and in turn reduce obesity levels. And I always thought, even like I have worked at a grocery store before, I always thought that um, the food items were put more in a adult height level because that's who's purchasing them. So maybe like teen to adult, like not as small as children. But now that I think about it, like when you walk into a store, there's unhealthy food right there. When you check out, there's unhealthy food right there. And it's all buggy level. So it's not necessarily, or shopping cart, whatever. So it's not necessarily adult height, it's where the children would be if they were in the shopping cart. But I also think it's important to realize that is this attainable for grocery stores, because they're doing whatever they can to make money, and this is helping them make money. So is this something that actually would be put into place, or is this just for the sake of the research article? So those are the things that I found interesting. And yeah, thanks for listening.